Louis Berger. He must have soapy case.
Yeah.
It was an easier
mining
case.
आणि
I told you right from the beginning, it is a better case, it is an easier case than the other mining issues, which is that is more complex.
But do you feel mining issues should be also thoroughly investigated like this?
It is quite a long time. It has to come to its finality, I feel. It has to happen.
In fact, this was a good excuse sent by the above, which it has come from another country. And today, it's hopefully, as the issues are given by Honorable Chief Minister, Mr. Lakshman Parshekar, I am positive and confident that this, what has happened in the mining scam, so-called the 35,000 scam, keep us 35, at least 20% if that tomorrow, if the guilty, whoever has been involved in this, हांगा कितें जालां लोकांनी पयशे करून गेले fly by night ऑर्डर पोशन गेले but who suffered? Our locals have suffered.
See, I feel government is on the right track now. I think everyone should be investigated because the most important thing is harassment. You should not harass someone. Investigation should be done in proper manner, and we should not politicize it also. That is my party, your party, and there's nothing called a party. Where law is concerned, there's no more parties are involved. And ultimately, what is man, as I said, the investigation doesn't stop at the door of the government. We have got a judicial system. Let us believe in it. They said that when Mr. Manohar Parrikar was there, he said there was 35,000 scam or whatever it is. So let them investigate into everything. No, if there is a scam, let the scam come out. People should know what is.
मायनिंगाचो विषय 35,000 कोटीचे स्कॅम मनोहर पर्रीकरान तेन्ना सांगलेले. आमी आतां 3.5 वर्सां वाट पळयता, विधानसभेनी वाट पळयता की कोण कोण त्या स्कॅमान कोण अरेस्ट जाता. अजून पर्यंत कोण जालो ना कितें. पूण आतां हो नवो इश्यू तयार करून नवे लोक भितर पडटा. पळया कितें करता.
गव्हर्मेंट हेड सेट झिरो करप्शन, सो इट इज अप टू द गव्हर्मेंट टू एक्ट. आतां ही हेडलायन्स तयार करपाक जे एका चल्ल्या 15 दिसांक असेंब्ली वेळा का कितें मागीर कळटलें आमकां. देर आर सो मेनी स्कॅम्स लायक हाव यू सेड अर्लियर स्कॅम ऑफ इलिगल मायनिंग एंड अदर थिंग्स which have still not shown way. So I think whatever government today has done, the police are doing is good, but it has to be done with a good intention, not with political intention, just to pressurize some people.
Mining तो conclusion पावपा जाय. आमी सदां डिमांड करताले मायनिंग फुडें आसा, इवन फॉरेस्ट स्कॅम आसा, बफर झोना पासून इलिगल मायनिंग जाल्लें तें सगळें अजून जालें ना. पूण आमी डिमांड करता करपा जाय. म्हण आज डिमांड आसा.